Hi student, in today's lecture we discuss some programs on a class concept. The program in a board examination there is a question asked, write a program in C++ to find area of a circle using find method. Here is a method name is given in the program. Method means function name which is a given in a program. Which function name you can be used in a class to solve this the program. For this totally program can be depend on a class. So to solve this the program we need the one class name. Here is a one function name is given, that is a find, and the variables which is a required to solve this the program. The area of a circle, it is nothing but, suppose I can be use r is a radius. For a radius I can be use the variable r. A is a area, to store the result in a area. These two variables we require, and to solve this program we require the find method that is given in the program. We use area class. Area is a class name. This class name, if in a program there will be the giving, the class name can be given, then you can be used that the class name. But in this the program name of a class cannot be mentioned, so we can be use any variable which is related to that the program. So I can be use the class name area, r for a radius, a is used to store the result of a area, and I can be calculate area by using the find method. Method means function. The formula to find the area of a circle is a is equal to pi. Here is the symbol is not, so we can be give the direct value of a pi constant in a formula. 3.142 into r into r. That formula we can be used in this the program. So we can be start here. First we declared the class name. How we can be declared the class name? Class keyword and name of a class. Name of a class, it is nothing but a area. Next one, in a private section I can be write a variables. Here a radius, and it is the in a fractional also. So in this program I can be give the data type, that is a float. That is value of a r is in a floating, and result which is a stored in a, it may be the floating r comma a. Okay. In a public section we can be declared function, that is a find. How we can be declared the function? First we give the data type UID. Next we give the function name. This program I can be solved by using outside class definition of a member function. Previous program we can be solved by using inside method. This program I can be solved by using outside declaration of a member function. First part of the class program is a finish. Here is a ending of a class declaration. So I can be write the semicolon. After that, next part, that is a class function definition. How we can be use the class function definition outside a class? First we declare the functions, implement the function. There is a syntax. First give class name, data type, return data type. Class name is area, and outside a class definition, so we use the scope resolution operator, and method name is a find method, and here we can be perform the operation on a find. Input the value of a radius, see out, enter radius. I use the variable r, so input this the variable r. Then we can be calculate the area. A is equal to 3.142 into r into R. That is our the formula. When this calculation can be performed by the computer, the result will be the stored in A. So here also we can be print the value. Area is equal to A. And here class definition is the second part is a finish. Next one is a object declaration, void main. And in this the object declaration, first statement is a object name, that is a class name and any variable name which is a valid variable. Suppose I can be used D, that is D is the object of a class area. Then we can be access this function by using the object, that is a fourth part of the class program. D dot find. Got it? Here will be the program finish. This program I can be solved by using outside definition of a member function. So first this one is a class declaration, class function implementation, object declaration and function accessing by the object. That is each and every program in a class can be divided into 4 sections. This is a program for find the area of a circle. Then you can be solve one assignment on a class. Write a program in C++ to find multiplication of 4 number using method product. Write a program in a C++ to find multiplication of a 4 number using method product. Method name is a product. Here is a find method. Method name is a product. Okay.